This is Baby A doing the flower
I
challenge.
know y'all ain't heard nothing like this, but y'all better start doing it.
Y'all better look it up. Hi. This is the most delicate. Hey, yo, back up that way.
That's gonna be the most delicate challenge you ever do.
She got a big mountain of flowers, so I think she ain't gonna do it right.
Hold on, can I put some off?
No,
Yeah.
no.
You take a little bit off, like. Cause I don't wanna die here.
I know, right? Oh my God, that's so sad. I sure enough will. You died in my house.
Alright, okay. You ready? You see me?
What is up with this girl?
You
Look.
see me.
Stop now, you gonna eat on my center.
Yeah, we see my center.
Ew, look at the flat one.
That's good. I can do that up. No, y'all is my gas, bro. Move.
That was an epic fail of the flower challenge. Bye bye.